Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from a trust deed investment using CA Home and Lending, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from a trust deed investment through CA Home and Lending, begin by reviewing your investment agreement. Identify the specific terms regarding withdrawals laid out in the document. Gather all relevant information, including your account details and investment records. Contact CA Home and Lending's customer service team via their official phone number or email. Prepare any questions you have regarding the withdrawal process. Once connected with a representative, clearly state your intention to withdraw from the trust deed investment. Provide them with your investment details to verify your identity. Ask the representative for a detailed explanation of the withdrawal process. Inquire about any potential fees associated with the withdrawal. Confirm the timeline for processing your withdrawal request. If necessary, request any forms you may need to complete to initiate the withdrawal. Fill out the required forms carefully, making sure all information is accurate. Submit the completed forms along with any required documentation to CA Home and Lending. Keep a copy of everything you submit for your records. Follow up with the representative to ensure your request is being processed. Monitor your account for confirmation of the withdrawal and any associated payments. Once completed, review your account statements to ensure everything is accurate. Consult with a financial advisor if you have further questions about the impact of this withdrawal on your overall investment strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.